Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Crystal Inn Suites and Spas. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, free parking, family rooms, non-smoking rooms and a fitness center. Located 2 miles from the Great Western Forum, this Inglewood hotel offers a heated outdoor pool and on-site laundry facilities. All guest rooms include free Wi-Fi. There is also free hot coffee in the lobby offered every day. Rooms at the Crystal Inn and Suites feature cable TV. The simply furnished rooms include a fridge, microwave and work desk. Iron facilities are provided for added convenience. The Inglewood Crystal Inn and Suites offers a 24-hour reception. A business center fully equipped with fax and photocopying services is available. There is also a fitness center available on site. The Watts Towers Art Center is 12 minutes drive from the hotel. The Los Angeles International Airport is 5 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.